Hello, welcome to our channel. Is it easy or difficult to break this matchstick? It's pretty easy, isn't it? How about if we keep the matchstick between our fingers like this and try breaking it? Can you pause the video and try it on your own? It's pretty difficult, isn't it? Why did it become so difficult to break such a flimsy matchstick? Let's try to understand.
The fingers of the hand behave as a lever called a class 3 lever. So, what is a lever? A lever is a simple machine used to multiply the force we apply on an object, like a seesaw. Here, the load is on one end and the effort to lift it is on the other end. In case of the class 3 lever, the fulcrum is on one end, the load is on the other end, and the effort is applied somewhere in between. The tongs we use in the kitchen are an example of a class 3 lever. We know that mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm by load arm. In this case, the effort arm, which is this, is shorter than the load arm, which is this. So, the mechanical advantage is less. Hence, it is very difficult to break the matchstick.
However, if you reduce the length of the load arm by bringing it closer to the fulcrum, then the matchstick snaps. Interesting, isn't it?
Now it's your turn to try it.